Here's the dirt on the contractor Trump hired.
This is John Cafaro, owner of the aptly named Greenwater Solutions, the company who won the no-bid contract to install the filtration system at the Lincoln Memorial Reflecting Pool. Greenwater Solutions was awarded $1.7 million to clean this up.
John J. Cafaro, or JJ, is cut from the same cloth Trump is. He's an American businessman and a convicted felon who pays off political figures with donations, better known as bribes. In 2001, Cafaro pled guilty to federal charges for conspiracy to commit bribery. Cafaro admitted to making illegal donations to his daughter's campaign, Capri Cafaro. He was only fined $150,000, which is pennies to this guy. He's the son of William Cafaro, a mall developer who left $800 million to his family following his death in 1998. But I digress. Here's where it gets juicy. Cafaro reportedly donated big bucks to both Trump campaigns. In 2020, he donated $250,000. And in 2024, he donated $100,000. He contributed over $300,000 to political committees connected to Trump. He's Trump's Mar-a-Lago neighbor. Trump and his grifter friends think they can continue to run roughshod over the American people, but we're not going to take it anymore. We need to yell this from the rooftops. We all need to wake up and start yelling. Take the money out of politics. The corruption is rotten to the core, and we all need to put an end to it. We need to vote these people out, get money out of politics, one vote for one person. It's simple, like democracy. We need our country back.